Video streaming is a powerful and effective way to communicate with large, geographically diverse audiences. But bandwidth constraints can cause buffering and jitter, or even worse, cripple your corporate network. Ramp AltitudeCDN is an enterprise content delivery network. Our software optimizes video traffic behind the firewall, so you can give your audience a glitch-free, smooth viewing experience. AltitudeCDN Multicast Plus utilizes the Multicast Network Protocol to distribute a single video stream inside the firewall for all viewers to watch simultaneously. Because of its efficiency and bandwidth predictability, multicasting is highly favored by network administrators who want to protect the network from congestion caused by large numbers of viewers accessing the same live video stream at the same time. AltitudeCDN OmniCache is an edge caching solution that stores and redistributes video to local concentrations of viewers, drastically reducing load of the internet connection and across the wide area network. OmniCache optimizes both live video and video on demand, supports mobile devices, and doesn't require any software to be installed on the viewing device. Ramp and Kaltura have teamed up to integrate AltitudeCDN with Kaltura MediaSpace, enabling the power of the Ramp BCDN to be harnessed directly through the Kaltura management interface. This simple and easy integration provides a seamless solution that efficiently drives high-quality live and on-demand video streaming across the enterprise, without overloading or degrading network resources. To learn more, contact your Kaltura or Ramp representative today.